I'm gonna get straight to the point without wasting any of your time. Here is what you do. You go to archive.org, which is a non-profit library of free books, movies, software, etc. Then in the search box, you type crochet, and voila, here you have 4,500 results of crochet magazines, books, and other publications. You click on the magazine or publication you like, and you can look through. You can zoom in, zoom out. If you want to download, here are all the downloadable options. If I were to download, I would probably go with PDF format because that's what I'm most familiar with. Well, I hope this was helpful. Happy browsing!